The prologue to this story begins in 1967 when Chung Ju-young founded Hyundai. Hyundai initially focused on assembling Ford Cortina vehicles under license in South Korea. This marked the beginning of Hyundai's automotive journey. The collaboration with Ford involved assembling and distributing Ford Cortina models to the Korean market, and it was an essential step in gaining experience and knowledge in the automotive industry.
시장에서 세계 인류 메이커의 자동차들과 당당히 경쟁하고 있습니다.
In 1975, the iconic Pony, Korea's first mass-produced car, rolled off the assembly line. The Pony was a watershed moment, showcasing Hyundai's potential to compete on the global stage. One of the defining features of the Pony was its engine. It was equipped with a 1.2-liter four-cylinder engine, which was considered quite advanced for its time. The engine's efficiency and reliability contributed to the Pony's appeal, especially in markets where consumers sought economical yet dependable vehicles. Hyundai's decision to focus on the export market was a strategic one.
Value. That's why Canadians have been buying Hyundai ponies at the rate of 10 every hour, 100 every day since 1984.
In 1976, the Pony made its debut in the Canadian market, marking the beginning of the company's international expansion. Hyundai became the first Korean car manufacturer to export vehicles, signaling its intention to spread its wings beyond the Korean peninsula. In 1986, Hyundai Motor America was established, a strategic move that underscored Hyundai's ambition to conquer the lucrative American market.
Hyundai Excel GLS will take you on a pleasant journey. Four-wheel independent suspension make for smooth sailing. And the plush interior is filled with more extras that don't cost extra. Hyundai. Cars that make sense.
The Excel, a compact car making nearly 70 horsepower, became a bestseller in the United States. It was actually designed by the industry legend who designed iconic cars like the Lotus Esprit and the DeLorean. One of the Excel's primary attractions was its affordability, with a base price at the time of around $4,995. This aggressive pricing strategy played a crucial role in attracting cost-conscious consumers. The Excel's success in the US market was also attributed to its fuel efficiency. It quickly gained traction in the US market, and by 1986, Hyundai had become the top-selling import brand in the country. However, success was not without its challenges. Quality concerns and a perception of Korean cars as inferior initially plagued Hyundai. To address this, they made substantial investments in research and development to improve engineering processes, manufacturing techniques, and overall vehicle design. In the 80s and early 90s, when hot hatches were really popular, like the Golf GTI and the Honda CR-X, Hyundai launched its own version, the Scoupe, in 1988.
Yes, Hyundai.
This wasn't a hot hatch technically, but it sure was sporty looking. It had the same chassis and engine as the Excel. It was positioned as a sporty and compact coupe, designed to appeal to younger drivers looking for an affordable and a stylish vehicle. While it was a fun car, it wasn't very successful commercially. Honda CR-X remained more popular because it had more power with better handling. The Scoupe contributed to Hyundai's ongoing efforts to compete in various automotive segments, but they still had more to do.
If we can build a ship with enough room for 3.5 football fields, we can build a car with more than enough room for 5 adults. Introducing the roomy, powerful Sonata from Hyundai, the mid-size car that makes sense.
In 1989, Sonata entered the US market with a lower GL trim and higher GLS trim, each with one of two powertrain configurations. First was a 2.4-liter, 116 horsepower four-cylinder engine, mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The second was a 3-liter, 142 horsepower V6 engine, mated to a 4-speed automatic. In 1991, Hyundai tweaked the trim level lineup to offer GL, GLS, and GLS SE trims. The GL and GLS received the 4-cylinder engine configuration, while the GLS SE received the V6. The later generations of Sonata received positive reviews for its build quality and reliability, signaling a turning point for the brand.
This Hyundai Elantra is going on a trip. So is this one. This one's going to Grandma's house. This one's winning a 4-day, 2,000-mile endurance race. The Elantra from Hyundai. Cars that make sense.
In the 90s, Elantra was first introduced as a compact sedan, positioned to compete in the global market with other popular models in its class. It featured a contemporary design for its time, with a focus on aerodynamics and aesthetics. The standard engine option for the Elantra was a 1.6-liter inline-4. This engine provided a balance between fuel efficiency and adequate performance, making it suitable for daily commuting and city driving. Positive reviews from consumers and automotive journalists highlighted Hyundai's improved quality and reliability. To further address concerns about quality and build trust, Hyundai introduced the industry-leading Hyundai Advantage in 1998.
America's best warranty. One with 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain coverage, 5 years, 60,000 miles bumper-to-bumper protection, and 5 years unlimited mileage roadside assistance. Introducing the Hyundai Advantage. It's yours on every 1999 Hyundai.
By the mid-1990s, Hyundai had made significant strides in improving the quality of its vehicles. In 1998, the Hyundai Motor Group underwent a significant transformation with Kia Motors Corporation. While Kia operated as a separate entity, it became an integral part of the Hyundai Motor Group, contributing to the conglomerate's growing influence in the global automotive market. The Hyundai Sonata and the Kia Optima, for example, share the same platform. These sister models often have similar styling elements, and their underpinnings are closely related. The Hyundai Santa Fe and the Kia Sorento are mid-size SUVs that also share a common platform. The synergy between Hyundai and Kia allowed for shared resources, technological advancements, and a broader market presence. The new millennium witnessed Hyundai's ascent to new heights. They unveiled their luxury brand, Genesis, as a concept vehicle, elevating the company's status in the automotive hierarchy. The Genesis line represented a bold step into the premium segment, showcasing Hyundai's ability to compete with established luxury car makers. Some of the key cars that the first Genesis aimed to compete with were the BMW 5 Series, Lexus GS, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class, but with a lower price point. The first production model was introduced in 2007 and marketed worldwide in 2008. The base engine for the Genesis was a 3.8-liter V6. It was also available with an optional 4.6-liter V8 engine, priced at around $28,000 for the base V6, rising to around $36,000 for the V8. The Genesis was equipped with advanced technology for its time, including an infotainment system, navigation, and premium audio options. The Hyundai N Division was officially launched in 2013 with the goal of infusing Hyundai's vehicles with high performance and a dynamic driving experience. The N stands for Namyang, Hyundai's research and development center in Korea, and Nürburgring, the renowned German racetrack. Hyundai offers two tiers within its N Division, N Line and N Performance. The Veloster N was the first model to wear the N badge and marked Hyundai's entry into the hot hatch segment. It gained acclaim for its performance and driving dynamics. Other popular N cars are the Ioniq N5 and the Elantra. Hyundai actively participates in the Nürburgring 24-hour race, using the grueling endurance race as a platform to showcase the performance and durability of its N-branded vehicles. As the story approaches the present day, Hyundai stands as a testament to Chung Ju-young's vision and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As Hyundai continues to script its future chapters, the story remains unfinished. The challenges may evolve, but the essence of the narrative endures.